We're on our way to the library, guys. Told you I'd see you when we get there. We're traveling right now, on the way. I'm excited. This is my first time putting my stuff in public view like this, you know, as an entry. And the library is a good place to start, I think. So all entries go in today, and then and today is Thursday, April 25th. So April 28th, which is Sunday, is the actual day of the exhibit. And it runs until May the 5th. And on May the 5th, that's the day that we pick up our entries. And that's also the day of sale if anybody's interested in buying. And we get to meet and greet with the people who come to see the exhibit. So I'm excited about that too. The topper of this whole situation is the librarian, Miss Maria. She is interested in showcasing my whole collection, my whole African statuette series. So I'm really excited about that.
Oh, how neat.
Thank you.
You know what? Can maybe on the bottom? Bottom is good.
Okay.
Yeah. That is cool. I love it.
Thank you again, ladies.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, guys, super excited. A wine tasting I'm invited to display. Oh, my statuettes. Oh, if you could see what's going on in my head right now. But guys, that's it. We're in, and we will be keeping you posted on what comes next, which would be the actual showing. So I'll bring you guys along for that. See you there. Oh, don't forget to hit the like, the notification button, ding that bell, and subscribe. The major thing, subscribe. Thank you.